Here we are in Port Angeles. This is our last stopping off point in the United States of America.
We're checking out to see how easy is it to escape.
It seems pretty easy so far, actually.
It's just whether they'll let us into the other side.
Yeah, we'll try. But yeah, there's not much to Port Angeles. It's a beautiful place because actually behind me is, as you can see, are the mountains of the Olympic National Park, and actually across the bay there is Canada, and that's Vancouver Island, which was our stop. So there you go. This is my favorite city in Canada because I do like Vancouver, but you know,
I remember in Vancouver, was that film you get of grungy in this big city.
yeah,
But
yeah, there were people on the streets shooting up
yeah,
crack, and yeah, I'm not sure that happens here, but maybe it does.
something to
Yeah.
the right place.
Haven't seen it yet.
That's where we stayed last time, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Because we went up and climbed up onto those rocks. Look.
Yes, we're on the other side.
Right, I can come in.
Yeah, you can take a sea taxi to get to wherever you're going too. And isn't this where the seaplanes land as well? Yeah, it's kind of a cute place. Why does it not look like this in Port Angeles?
Because Port Angeles is the very northernmost part of America. Most of the population isn't there. Whereas this is like the southernmost part of Canada. So if you're a Canadian, you come here for your holiday. But if you're American, you're not likely to go to Port Angeles.
Oh, look, that's our actual ferry that we came in on going back.
And when we
Goodbye.
came into Canada, they checked our passports and they were really welcoming and friendly,
Yeah,
which was good.
that was nice. I wonder if it'll be the same going back.
Where are you both from? Winnipeg? North. What Portland? I remember the day when I used to go up to Columbia on the Rolling Festival. I went to the Canadian Navy. Well, this is back in 1970. A while ago, huh? Oh,
So we're just here at the Parliament House for British Columbia in Canada, and Julia is looking at the parliamentary dining room menus.
Yeah, so they have vegetarian options.
Ah,
They have a cashew Thai salad that sounds good with cabbage, carrots, peppers, edamames, peanut ginger dressing.
wow, not bad.
I mean, they have really healthy parliamentarians.
Is a healthy parliamentarian a good parliamentarian?
Well, I'd rather have my legislators eating healthy than eating like a certain person whose name cannot be mentioned.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and click notify to see new content. Thanks for watching.